Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix if your messenger last seen not showing or working. There are couples of reasons why your messenger not seen is not working. If your green dot next to your profile is on and all the other profile names are on, you can check and see other people's last seen. Hence, you can see there is no active people. Let's go on this profile. And here you can see this person is active 1 hour ago. The first thing to check is make sure your active status is on. Tap on 3-lined icon on the top left corner. On the top right corner, tap on gear icon. Then here you can see active status, tap on it. Make sure that your active status is toggled on. If it is still not working, then make sure your app is updated. Go ahead to your Play Store. On the search bar, click over there and search Messenger. To the right side of Messenger, it will either say update or open. If it says update, that means your app needs to be updated, and if it says open, that means your app is up to date. Here you can see our app has been already updated. The last thing you can do is resetting your app. Go to the settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Here again you need to tap on all apps. On the search bar, click over there and search Messenger. When you get access to Messenger info, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear storage. Resetting your app will clear all the glitches, and if something wrong with the app, it will reset the app and fix the problem. And after that, your Messenger last seen will start working or showing. And this is how we fix Messenger last seen not showing or working. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel,